Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we made 17% profit in a stock which I have invested few months back. The video will be split into few parts. First, I will talk about the name of the stock. Second, what was my entry and exit strategy. Third, what you guys can learn from it. And fourth, I will show my verified P&L. And fifth, like will I ever invest back in this stock if I get the opportunity again? We will see about that. Let's go to the screen. So the name of the stock is Apollo Hospital. So this is Apollo Hospitals. Ever since COVID, it was in a strong bullish run. Then it was consolidating. Then it entered into a channel pattern. So here, this is a beautiful channel pattern, and like there were only two probabilities where I could enter, and one would be right at this channel support line, or the next entry point would be right at this line. This is a line where it took the initial resistance, and this is also the same line where it took the support. So this is a strong line. I patiently waited for the stock to get consolidated and come back to any of these two lines. So here, if you see, when the stock came at this place, actually this line is a strong valid line. So I was patiently waiting for stock to come here, but the stock took a strong support at the channel line itself, and I saw that, and I was waiting for few confirmations. So when I saw this bearish engulfing candle, there was the first confirmation. Then when it again came back to this channel, there was again a strong support. This is a large green candle. I saw this, I took this as a second confirmation, and I entered in the stock at this place. It actually tested my patience, because if you see, like it was trading in a kind of sideways, but I was patiently waiting. So after 4 5 months, the stock was nicely consolidating in sideways, and my plan is to exit that either at this resistance line, this one, or at this channel resistance line. So I was patiently waiting, and then at one point I saw the stock where it was getting a strong resistance, and there was also a bearish engulfing candle. So I thought this would be the right time for me to exit, and I exited the stock. And after that, what happened? Like the stock came down and it took a strong upwards movement, but I don't worry about that, because like I have the plan and I went with the plan. My plan was to enter at the channel line or at this support line, and to exit either at this resistance line or at the channel resistance line. When the stock came here, it took a strong resistance, and I saw this bearish engulfing candle. Okay, I thought, okay, this would be the right time to exit, and exited. So even after exit, like I don't worry if the stock goes like too much up. I don't worry about that. I had the plan, I stick with that, and it worked. So I booked the profit of around 17 percentage, 17.8% almost, in a duration of, I would say, 5 months. Okay, so getting a 17% profit in 5 months is not as easy as you think, because banks are providing 4%, maximum 7 8% interest for FD for 1 year, and you imagine you are booking a profit of 17% in 5 months. I think it makes a lot of difference. And I'm also attaching my screenshot here. You can see that in the screen. And the final question, so will I ever invest in this stock if the right opportunity arises? Yes, of course I would. And what would be my plan? So there are only 2 to 3 possibilities. One, the stock could go here, it could take a bounce back here, or the stock may come down here, it may bounce back, or the stock may come down here and it may go from here. So I would wait for any of these three possibilities to happen, but I would take the trade more at here or here. I would enter into the trade only if I see a strong reversal candle. So always I would wait for the stock to support the trend line, and I would wait for the candle confirmation also. So only after seeing this two things I would enter into trade. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope you guys have learned one or two things from here. In the next video, there is one stock which I am still holding. I have not booked profits yet. So once I book the profits, and I will come back with a video for it. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy. Bye.